IAF will be bringing back mortal remains. The IAF has left from Kuwait. The Kerala Health Minister is also taking stock as the IAF is bringing back the mortal remains.
Honorable CM will also be reaching here, and all arrangements are made, all ambulances are ready, and police will be accompanying everybody, every ambulance, and district police chiefs are also included in this whole process. So everything is done and everything is ready. Quite unfortunate that we are facing such a situation. So more than half of the lives lost are from Kerala, and majority who are under treatment in different hospitals, they are from Kerala.
Now, investigations have revealed that the Indian nationals, mostly labourers, were killed in their sleep. The fire broke out in the kitchen and spread to the other floors. The victims were charred to death in Kuwait after the fire engulfed the 6-story building. As India is numb over the tragic deaths of so many Indian lives lost, there is no end to the politics over the issue. The India partners claim that mostly Indians died in the incident as they went abroad due to lack of job opportunities. At the same time, others slammed the central government over the alleged low amount of compensation for the deceased. Listen in to the statements coming in from the India bloc.
There is a great problem of employment in India. So this is a failure of Bhajpa government that after their 10 years, many more people, they have to go abroad for their job. This is failure of government of India. Central government should take the responsibility and necessary assistance.
देखिए, कंपल्सन बढ़ाना चाहिए और इस तरह की जो घटनाएं हो रही हैं, दिक्कत ये है कि सरकार आंख मूंद लेती है और सरकार वो कारण क्या है उसमें जानना नहीं चाहती है, मात्र माने कुछ पैसा दे करके, प्रलोभन दे करके उस चीज़ को दबाना चाहती है। चाहे वहाँ की घटना हो, चाहे कहीं दूसरे जगह घटना हो, चाहे मणिपुर की घटना हो, आज देश जल रहा है, कई महीने हो गया लगातार इस तरह घटनाएं हो गई और सरकार को लगता है कि सरकार मूक दर्शक बन करके देख रही है, सरकार का कोई दायित्व नहीं है। ऐसा लगने लगा कि मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान में है ही नहीं है, मोदी सरकार के अंदर आता नहीं है। तो इस तरह की जो कार्रवाई होती है निश्चित रूप से देश के लिए दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और इस तरह की कार्रवाई में राजनीतिक हिसाब से नहीं देखना चाहिए।
Let's go across to my colleague Imran, who is joining us from Kollam. Well, Imran, there are several Indians among those who have been killed in Kuwait in the fire. The family members waiting eagerly for the mortal remains. Unfortunate tragedy that broke out in Kuwait. The mortal remains, of course, expected to arrive in the country at about 11 a.m.
Well, yes, it was a tragic incident. It questions about the safety and the working conditions of the Indians in GCC countries. And this episode has thrown light about the plight of Indians, especially people coming from coastal southern part of India, and especially mainly from Kerala, who travel to Gulf countries and seeking livelihood, and the horrible working conditions which has been now come out in the form of this tragedy which happened in Kuwait. And the families are eagerly waiting for the loved ones. In fact, many say that they just spoke, we spoke a couple of them, and they said that they had a conversation day for them with them, and after that, since just there was no response from them, and after that they got the tragic news that they have died in the fire. Now they have demanded inquiry into this particular incident, but first foremost for them important is to receive the bodies of their loved ones so that they can give them a proper burial. Now the politics has also played out over this incident, where the health minister had said that she was not allowed to go to the Kuwait because the union governments didn't give her permission. But what is important now is they are at the Kochi airport. Now the bodies will be coming in an hour from now, where they'll be given state funeral, and after that they will be sent to their families in ambulances which have been kept ready at the Kochi airport.
Okay, all right, Imran, thank you for joining us with those details. On that note, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.